Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the room, length, width, and height because volume sets the basis for CFM. Once done, pick a target air changes per hour. For example, choose 6 ACH for busy kitchen or 0. 5 ACH for storage. Make sure to record obstructions, vents, and heat sources since they influence required flow and placement. Now calculate volume in cubic feet and keep that number handy. It's the multiplier you'll use to convert ACH into the exhaust CFM you need. You now convert volume to airflow using a simple formula. Take the room cubic feet, multiply by your chosen ACH, then divide by 60 to get CFM. For example, a 200 FT3 space at 6 ACH needs 200 times 6, divided by 60 equals 120 CFM. Once calculated, adjust for real-world losses. Add 10 to 25% to cover duct friction, filters, and grills. Make sure to choose the higher number if duct runs are long or include. You finish by choosing a fan that delivers the required CFM at the static pressure of your duct run. Check fan curves from the manufacturer and select a slightly higher rated unit to ensure margin. Once installed, use correct duct sizing and smooth transitions. Undersized ducts or sharp bends kill flow. Finally, test the system with anemometer or simple smoke test. If flow is low, recheck for blocked intakes, excessive static pressure, or leaks. Those are the 3 most common issues to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.